Primary School. Today, I'll try to conduct the course Calculus independently. Chapter 1 Continuity and Discrepancy. We'll focus on 4 concepts. First, continuous and discrete. What is continuous? Continuous is like a curve in a graph that does not have any holes, gaps, is unbroken without any disconnections. For example, this function. Is it continuous or discrete? This is continuous, as it does not have holes, does not have gaps, no disconnections. Another example. This one. Is it continuous or discrete? Yes, this is continuous. Why? Here is perfectly connected without any disconnections. What about this one? Is it continuous or discrete? This is discrete. What is discrete? This is, they are scattered all over. It's like very messy. Everywhere has dots. But what about this one? What is this? Continuous or discrete? It is none of them. This is discontinuous. Here, this line, all are continuous, so it cannot be discrete. But it also cannot be continuous, because these are broken. So it can only be called discontinuous. Here, over here. For example, these 2 parts, like 3 and 4, over here. In between these 2 numbers, we can insert infinity, rational, and irrational. All the rational are not continuous. All the irrational are also not continuous. It is altogether infinity. No matter how small it is, we still can insert infinity. Second, domain and range. Domain and range. This domain is the interval, the range, or for example, this part. It is from here all the way here. This region. This is the domain. And remember, this domain is only for x, y. This y. But what is it called? The range for y is called range. Range for x, domain. Range for y, still got range. And this one, what is the domain? This is the x. The x cannot be 0. Here, we can write in another way. Your x, we don't use this. We use this sign. This means belongs to or a member of. Member of what? This bracket, this kind of bracket is excluding this negative infinity and 0. But what about this U? U is union. What is this? This one excluding 0 and infinity. Which means that this region between negative infinity and 0 and the region between 0 to infinity all can be used. This, what is this called? What is this language? This is set language. First part here is called a subset. What about this one? What is it called? It's also a subset. What about these two together? What is it? Subset and subset becomes a set. This means belongs to, right? Yes. But what about this one? What is this? This is the opposite of belongs to, which means it does not belongs to. But this x belongs to this one, so we cannot use this one. This third one is interval notation. What is this? What is interval notation? Here we have 4 types. We all use a combination of different brackets. First one, this is interval 3 and 5. Then your comma. 3 and 5. We include the numbers between them, but exclude 3 and 5. What about this kind of bracket? This kind of bracket is called closed bracket. This one, numbers in between 3 and 5 again. This time is different. We include all the numbers between 3 and 5, including the 3 and 5. This is excluding 3 and 5. What if we mix this up? Like this. What is this called? This is called half open. Yeah, half open and half closed. And this is open. What if again it's 3 and 5? What will happen? Again, we include the numbers between them. Because this is an open, so we exclude 3. This is a closed, so we include 5. What about this? This is, yes, half close. Half close. 3, 5. Enclosed number between, as this is a close, we also include 3. This is an open, we exclude 5. Interval notation for this one. These are the 4 types. Half open, half close, open, and close. We also can draw a line using them. So this will be called interval illustration. Interval illustration. This one for this open. How to draw it? Here, this is the line. This is 3 and 5. For this one, we just draw this kind of bracket. This for open. We also can draw it another way. How? Like this. This is 3, 5. This one we draw a circle, leaving this one a gap. This one also, because this means exclude. Then this is like this. This is like this. It will be in between, excluding 3 and 5. Next is closed. 3, 5. Closed will be like this. Another way is your circle. We fill it up like this. Then we also draw arrow. This filled in circle is that it also include. What about half open? Three, 5. Half open. Here is open. Here it's closed. What will this be like? this will be like. This will be opened, or this is closed, like this. 3 open bracket, so we exclude 5, this one close bracket, include. What about this? Half closed. What is it? If we draw it this way, it'll be like this is include, this is exclude. Let's do that. So this means exclude, include. And this is interval illustration. It's like a drawing. Do you all understand these?